Welcome to English Stories with Dr. K.
Bridging the Divide, Two Friends. In the heart of New York City, two best friends, Mandy and Jordan, grew up navigating the same school hallways, but living vastly different lives. Mandy's family owned a sleek apartment in Manhattan with floor-to-ceiling windows overlooking the skyline. Jordan, on the other hand, lived in a small apartment in Brooklyn, where his parents juggled multiple jobs to keep the lights on. Despite their differences, Mandy and Jordan were inseparable until they started noticing the gap between their worlds. Mandy spent summers traveling abroad, while Jordan picked up shifts at a local diner to help his family. One day, Mandy invited Jordan to her birthday party, a grand event at an upscale rooftop lounge. As Jordan stepped into the glittering venue, he felt like an outsider. The contrast between his reality and the world of luxury surrounding him had never been so stark. That night, Jordan opened up to Mandy about his feelings. He wasn't resentful, just aware of how many people, like his family, worked tirelessly but still struggled. Aware of how some doors remained shut for those who didn't come from privilege. Instead of brushing it off, Mandy listened. She realized that she had never truly seen the struggle Jordan and so many others faced daily. Determined to take action, they started small. They launched a social media campaign, sharing real stories of inequality in their community. Their message resonated. Soon, classmates, neighbors, and even local businesses joined in. They organized fundraising events, partnered with nonprofits, and lobbied for better community programs. What started as a conversation between two friends became a movement, one that amplified voices that had long been ignored. As they stood side by side on a Brooklyn rooftop, looking out at the glowing city skyline, they knew the road ahead wouldn't be easy. But for the first time, they believed in the possibility of change. Because when people listen, when they act together, a more equal future isn't just a dream. It's a reality waiting to be built.
Vocabulary practice. Vastly, to a very great extent, extremely different. Their lifestyles were vastly different. Privilege. Special rights or advantages available to a particular person or group. Not everyone has the privilege of traveling abroad. Resonate. To have a strong emotional impact or connection. Their message resonated with the community. Lobby. To try to influence people in power to make changes. They lobbied for better community programs. Amplify. To make something louder or more powerful. The campaign amplified voices that were often ignored. or false? Mandy and Jordan had similar financial backgrounds. False. Jordan felt resentful toward Mandy's wealth. False. Mandy ignored Jordan's concerns when he shared his feelings. False. They started a social media campaign to raise awareness about inequality. True. Fill in the blanks. Listening comprehension questions. How were their family backgrounds different? Mandy's family was wealthy and lived in a luxury Manhattan apartment, while Jordan's family struggled financially in Brooklyn. What event made Jordan feel like an outsider? When he attended Mandy's lavish birthday party at a rooftop lounge. How did Mandy react when Jordan shared his feelings? She listened and realized she had never truly seen the struggles people like Jordan faced. What did Mandy and Jordan do to raise awareness about inequality? They started a social media campaign to share stories of inequality. Great job completing this lesson. Your dedication is truly inspiring, and each step forward brings you closer to achieving your goals of learning English. Keep up the fantastic work.
Please subscribe, like, and share.